second time we tried to film this episode. No, it's the third time. The second time rained, couldn't do anything. This is the third time, started to rain after we spent all morning putting up the green screens and doing the set and all that and dressing up and preparing everything. So it's unfortunate, but we'll keep trying. Hopefully we'll get it till next year. What do you think, Captain?
Rain! It's because I said rain instead of your name.
True. Yeah, so we'll try next time.
I think you need to change it. Call it sunny!
Well, I'm a ray.
No, not
Sun
ray of
ray.
sun.
Yeah, right, see you next time, guys. Keep you posted. Bye.
Bye.